Hey y'all, what is up? So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do a sleek bun on Chunky Twist. Yes, I said sleek. So I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam setting mousse and the control paste that I got from Aveda. That's the only freaking product that I swear by that comes from Aveda, by the way. Just letting y'all know. So I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail first before I apply any of these products. One thing that you guys don't know is that I actually redid these twists a week after. I braided the roots and then twisted the ends. At first, I just twisted my hair up like regularly with it, not braided at the roots. But I noticed that with my hair being braided at the roots, if I went to the gym or if I was sweating on my scalp or anything, like my hair would not frizz up or anything like that. So that's what I did, and that's why it looks like so neat at my roots. So as you can see, like my hair has a bit of some like white flakes and stuff like that. I do need to wash my hair. Thankfully, this is the last week that I'll be having my hair in these braids, which is also the last week of the December protective style challenge. But yeah, so I have it all in a bun, and then I will be applying the setting mousse first. So I actually used quite a bit of setting mousse just to make sure that my hair lays down properly once I tie it up. So this was the first time I used it, and I only applied a little bit to my hair at first just to see what it would do, and noticed I would need a whole lot more. So here I am adding some more setting mousse. And this setting mousse is perfect for braids. If you're doing any weave styles or anything, you can apply this to your hair as well. And for me, it doesn't flake up. So next up, as you guys can see, I'm about to apply control paste, but I am using a toothbrush this time around only because I left my edge brush inside the car, and I was not about to go outside just to get my edge brush out the car, out of my school bag. Like, that was just a hard no for me. So like I said, I swear by this control paste. It lays my hair down. It actually lasts for a week. The only time it actually gets messed up is if like I'm washing my face and I go too deep into my hairline, and that's when, you know, it'll get messed up, but it's actually really sleek. So here I'm gonna put my ends into a bun. This bun, I've had it in for a hot minute. This is like my second time actually even having to touch up this style, which is pretty good, which means that it lasted pretty long. But I'm making sure that it is secure. I used about 4 scrunchies on my end just to secure it. At first I used pins and noticed that that hurt, so I said nope. But this is what it looks like. Super sleek, super controlled. And then I'm gonna tie my hair just to, you know, lay those flyaways down a bit. And that's about it. Something super quick and super easy for the holidays.